Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a twist up. My products are the As I Am leave-in, the Mielle organic souffle, the red eco, and my purple color wax. So okay, let's get right into this. So as you guys can see, my hair is I must say it's clean. I just quickly put it in a bun so I could go church, and after church I came back and did this. So my hair is not dirty. So if your hair is dirty, I suggest that you wash it first. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is sectioned into 5 sections, and I'm going to do each sections at a time. That section in the middle of my head is to make sure that I do not have a distinct part going down my hair, so the hair is not separated, as you can see, which would need more fluffing. Okay, that's a lot. So the order in which I showed you the products is the order in which I will be using them. So my leave-in is first, then my souffle, followed by the red eco, and then topped off with the purple wax. But you'll also realize that all strands or twist had the purple wax on it. So because I was going for more of a streak look, so that's why I left some of them black or my original hair color. So you want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled, because that will assist when it's time to separate and fluff your hair. If your hair is tangled, then you will have a tangled mess, as I always preach. So you want to make sure that you put enough products on your hair to where it feels coated. I'm not going to come in and say you use a dime size amount, because really and truly everybody hair density is different. So use as much as your hair would want. When it comes to doing twists, I suggest that you keep your fingers up close under the twist so that your twists are tight, which will make your hair more defined, because it makes no sense you do a twist out and it only lasts you a day. So some of you guys realize that you do a twist out and in no time it's poofy. That's because the curls weren't tight enough. So when it drop, it just drop a grung, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, twist them tight, keep your fingers right under the twist, and take your time. No rush. This video is sped up, and you guys can see that I'm going slow. Don't speed through the process. The quicker you speed through, the quicker your hair will be a hot mess. So while doing this voiceover, I'm thinking in my mind, sis, why are you outside? And I'm going to answer the question because I think somebody might be wondering. I am outside because my ring light broke, and I decided I'm going to start making excuses. So instead of setting up inside and then getting upset when the lighting wasn't good, I went outside and I sat on my grass and I recorded this video. See, dedication. I'm making the effort. So I really hope that you guys appreciate it, and leave a like, a comment, or if you're new, subscribe. Welcome to my corner of YouTube universe. I did not do that. So yes. Okay, so if there's anything that you don't understand or you need an in-depth explanation on, don't forget to comment it down in the comment sections. I do not bite, especially on whichever day I'm dropping this video, because I'm not sure. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna shut up until I need to speak, so just keep on watching.
I begin to for sure.
So this is the last twist I'm going to do with you guys before I go off camera and finish the next quarter of my head. So as you guys can see, it's the same process right through. There's nothing different or new to each twist. You just do the same steps over and over until you finish your head. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll get back to you the following day. Morning. Knowing me, that's exactly what I would say. And as you guys can see, that banana trees was popping because I don't know why I was doing all that. So this was Easter Monday when I initially took down my hair, and the shrinkage is crazy. As you guys can see, I toned down the purple because, as I said, I needed to return to work. I totally forgot about work when I was doing this hairstyle. But yeah, I'm going in with my oil. In my oil is, I think it's the fenugreek oil and also some coconut oil. So yes, you're going to get a scrunchie that is just separate the rest of your hair. Make sure that you oil down your hair so when you're unraveling it, you get less frizz. A tip for the wise. So yes, I'm just going to do all that. I'm going to take down my hair one at a time. Make sure that you take your time when you're doing this because the previous steps were important, but it will be reflected after the takedown. So if you take down method is trash, then you will get a trash ass twist out. We're going to ignore how ashy I am. Okay, so with the takedown, you're going to separate your hair where it naturally wants to separate. So as you can see, you will see areas of my hair would separate by itself. So that comes with you detangling properly. Your hair will just separate by itself. You have sections where you have to go in and assist it, but try to separate it at areas where it naturally wants to separate. And as soon as you separate it, just coil it around your fingers. That will eliminate the frizz for the areas that you manually or forcefully separated. So every time that you feel that your hand gets dry or you feel like you're creating more frizz, just put a little dab of the oil on your fingers. It will help you to unravel your hair, and take your time with this process. This is a process that you don't want to speed through because your entire process that you did before will be useless if your takedown is rushed